bed that we got from Wayfair. Just arrived via FedEx in this package, which I gotta say is good and heavy. So let's give it a try and open it up and see. The product of China, which sometimes worries me, especially in today's world, that we should be buying American, but the very low price tag it is for this guest room. And we'd already gotten the mattress, which also came from Wayfair, which also came in a small box, 70 pounds. So well wrapped, came in a double boxed, things numbered. Ones and ones. And I'm assuming is the platform part, so we'll put that over there. Just a minute, whatever this is. And these are sixes. Well, there's a 1. There's a 1, a 6, and this one, it looks like a leg. That would be a center rail. And be a side rail. A 4. And a 1. So ones, you can understand why there's going to be a lot of ones because of the fact that the 1 is the headboard and the rest of it's pretty simple. And of course, classic IKEA style, all the parts on the left. It even comes with a little ratchet driver. Pull the cardboard out, we don't need that anymore. And there are instructions online on the wayfair.com site how to put this together, which is nice. So like I had a brief idea of what to look for when we were going there. It also comes with instructions, pretty basic pictorial instructions, which are very good there. So very simple and straightforward. I always like to go through and pull my parts out first. And the hardware kit. It's got spare parts. I love the fact that it came with its own spare parts. Now that is something special. I'm loving this little ratchet. The ratchet. I gotta show you the ratchet. The ratchet. That is just super cool. I think that's worth the 100 and some odd bucks I paid for the bed already. So we've got the A's and the B's. And so all the ones go together here. So let's take all the ones out. I'm assuming that it goes that way, yes. You know what assuming does. These, I believe, are all legs. So I'm going to put these over here. Very, very cool. So. Getting them started here. There's 2 of these down here. All right, so we've got the headboard sort of placed together. Next thing to do is to go ahead and bolt it together. All right, so we've gotten step 1 and step 2 down. No written instructions, certainly just all visual instructions. Everything went well together in there. So now we're going to go and do 3, which is the side rails. So that is 4 and 5, which are going to be down here for this guy. So we're going to work on the base, 4 and 5, and it has an up. I'm assuming that we'll have a 4 and a 5 on here somewhere. There's a 5. So that'll be on that side. I believe this is the center rail. Yes. And this is the 4 and 7. I don't know whether I can show you that or not, but there's a 4 on there. So that 4 matches with the 4 that's on here. Looks like 4 and 5 connect the same way as we've been connecting already with these smaller version ones. So 2, 3, 4. We'll go ahead and do 4. All right. So we got that one side done. Let's go over and play with this side. So there is step 3 now has been done. So let's go and do step 4, which is to get the legs. That's 10. So that's 6. And that's 7. So everything's nicely wrapped in good shape here. So and that just slides in nicely. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Here's a second screw that screw hole that comes in. We use the original screws that we were using before. So what we learned from the other side was that the leg may not be exactly milled perfectly and may need a little adjustment. So let's see if that's the way it is with this one. Now I should probably go ahead and use my power drill at this point because it's a little bit harder. But the problem with some of the power drills in some of this pre-made furniture is, even at the lowest setting, the power drill is just too powerful and will strip the head off the screw or the place where the screw is supposed to go into. So sometimes you just have to grin and bear it and just keep using the supplied. All right, so we've got that done. So there we have level 4 of the instructions done. So we can go to 5, which means attach these bottom pieces to the headboard that we already installed. And that way we use the larger screws with that. So here we are at episode 5 of the headboard installation to the side rails. We use there are 4 larger bolts, 2 for each side, so that's what we're going to use. So let's go ahead and bring these together here. getting out the handy ratchet again. And we'll do that for the other side as well. Now there is one longer bolt, but that's used for the center, not for this. So we're gonna put that in next. These four, and then of course the nice thing about this kit is that it comes with a couple of spare screws if you need it, and whether they're lost or whether they get stripped, because you got a little over anxious with the tools, it's always good to have a couple extras. So I don't want to tie them too tight, but I want them tight enough, guten tight, as those of you who work on German cars say, guten tight. So there we are, the pieces together. We're going to pull these little stickers off when we're finished. Now it's time to roll out the actual platform part of the bed. We're going to cut it, but that seemed to be a little harder to do. A friend of mine cut something and ended up cutting himself, so we don't want to do that. Peter, you know who you are. All right, so we're ready for it. So this is Velcro, so it attaches in very nicely. Put the Velcro where the Velcro is, because otherwise there won't be enough wood. Attach your Velcro down. And we're ready to go. We're ready to put a mattress on it. And we got our mattress from Wayfair.com as well. This is a full size because we had a smaller room, so we didn't want to put a queen size in here. We tried to queen size it, just overpowered the room. So we put a full size. That's what this bed is. We ordered the full size mattress, and all of this came to well under $500 with free shipping, as Wayfair is known to do. And we chose the 13-inch thickness of the mattress only just because we wanted a stronger, a little bit more durable mattress, a little bit maybe softer, more comfortable mattress. So there we are. Wayfair, you're just what I need.